So this is the newest portal that I've been building over the last 3 months. Just to give you a quick look around. It's actually built of pine. It's all pine. It's all 1/2 inch thick pine. There's the front of it. There's the back of it. The back of it does come off, but it's being designed so you can just see a line there. The bottom part comes off so you can change the batteries. What a lot of people do is when they're building these things, they put the battery packs on the back. I think that doesn't look too good. So everything's inside with this one. You've got the holes on the back, the air holes. This is for the speaker in the front, because as we all know, sound travels on airwaves and we need it to be able to get air inside. Also on the back of here is a Tesla copper coil, like a pancake, antenna inside, and it does have something else attached to the antenna. It's the only one in the world that has this. You've seen it here first. It has actually got a meteorite inside of it. It's a genuine meteorite. This thing is actually being in space, or the meteorite has what's inside. It's about 1 inch by 1/2 inch. It's a small one, but it's a wrap at the bottom of the antenna. So this is why it's got like the green tinge to it. I'll just turn the front of it on. So I don't know if you can make that out because I've got the light, and I'll just turn the light off so you can see the light. There we go. It looks pretty cool, that. So we have the reverb and the amp, volume, obviously the light on and off switch, and this is the power on and off switch, which powers the full portal. To the left we have a stepper. The stepper button, if you press that, it goes into stepper mode. For instance, it will start at like 87, it'll go 87.1, 87.2, 87.3, 87.4, and so on, all the way up to 108.8 an hour, I think. And it scans like that if you want it in that mode. And this button, this changes the mode of the portal. It'll go to jumper mode. It'll jump from 87 to 96 to 100 to 105, whatever it decides it's jumping at. It keep jumping channels and frequency like that. So that's what that does. Here, I put a sound out for your 3.5mm sound cable. This can be plugged into your mobile phone. So you can record all your sessions. What you do, you can plug it into your PC. If you've got a sound program on your PC, you can do it into your tablet or whatever. I mean, you can even put another speaker on if you want, but this is extremely loud. It's about a 5 watt, very big speaker. It's got a green speaker in there with a green mesh on, which actually complements, as I showed you earlier, the green LED light in there. So that's pretty cool. So the circuit on this, it's got a DPS FM circuit. I think what that means, it cuts out all the static sound, so you don't get a lot of the rubbish what you get on a lot of other portals or ghost boxes. So we'll just turn it on so you can know it's not on very loud. We can put a bit of reverb on. Hello. Hello. I'll just turn it off while I go around it with you. The case for this is all pine. It is stained with red mahogany. It is solid. This is designed. I mean, you can take it around location with you, but it is looks cool and everything. It's better sat on your mantelpiece, to be honest. Um, so what it does, it takes 4 AA batteries, which is located um, in the back if you take this bottom panel off. And I've put the light LED on separate battery power because I didn't want it. You get like a static kind of buzzing interference if you connect it all through the same power circuit. So I'll give it its own two small AAA batteries for that. So I was saying this has taken about 3 months to build because some of the parts you just cannot get in the UK. So I'm ordering from like China, Japan, where's the other places? America. There's another one. Is it Indonesia? Somewhere, I don't know. And it can take 3 weeks to get the parts for it, or certain parts for it. And sometimes when you get the parts 3 weeks later, they've sent the wrong bloody parts, so you've got to order it again and wait another 3 weeks. And meanwhile, you're building the wooden shell for it. So this is why this one's taken 3 months, but it is absolutely fantastic. I'm happy with the outcome of this one. And like I said, the antenna inside at the back, it's got an actual meteorite inside of it. It's the only one in the world to have this. You've seen it here first. We've got the copper Tesla coil going around the inside of this air vent on the back. And here's, like I said, a small meteorite inside of this attached to the bottom of the antenna before it goes into the FM circuit. Absolutely fantastic, this, and it looks good as well. Very, very hard work working with wood when you're building ghost boxes. Just have a quick listen to it.